Ninja guys, how you doing? Wee! Alright. Miguel, Red Eagle Angel. Oh, Red Eagle Angel. I mean, the packaging is you get the basic package. Helmet of Angel, Cobra Kai. Let me raise this up to the pants. Cobra Kai, I mean, you get exactly what you're asking for. Let's go ahead and see how you survive the package. And like I said, I don't care for Hasbro, the plastic-free packaging, guys. So, it feels like cheap cardboard. And yet it is. Alright, let's see if he got all his go ahead and zoom back down. Whee! Alright, let's see if he got all his accessories. Let's start with the accessory packs. Nope. We have one hand. We have the morphed head. The neck. Alright, 5 out of 5. So he does have all of his accessories. He has a open karate hands. Going one and ooh. Ooh ah. Alright, well I'm just kidding. The mask looks nice. Let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what he looks like. Alright. I'm not sure if I like the sleeveless arms. I don't know. The sleeveless arms, I don't think I can like these. It's a nice touch, but I'm not sure if I'm in love with this. What do you guys think? Sleeves or no sleeves? I feel like it's too much arm. I don't know. It feels like he's too much arm. What do you guys think? Wow, the arms are so mighty it made the camera fade out. But honestly, nice picture of Eagle Fang Karate. Nice little picture of the eagle on the chest. All around, not a bad looking figure. Beautiful spread. He has the brand new joints, so he doesn't have the sealed. So he's got the same joints like the rest of the Ninja Rangers or the rest of the Cobra Kai Rangers. So, and the molding on the arms, I'm not sure if I like it or I can get to it, but it's just weird looking. Okay. So size comparison, let's go ahead and bring in, Daniel-san. He looks pretty good. And while we're at it, let's get rid of this package and bring in the other one. Yeah, not bad. Honestly, it looks actually pretty good. Like, the sleeve looks good on this guy, but like I said, it just, I don't know. I feel like the arms are a little long. Feels like it's a little longer or it's just because it doesn't have the sleeves on there. I think basically, not that he has two closed fists. He's ready to fight, but yeah, I know they don't come with no weapons or anything. But hey. Oh, lovely. Mine has a little plastic dilly in the back. Yes. Oh man, not a bad looking figure. Go ahead, pop on the masterpiece. Do 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 do. So yeah, with the mask on, looks good. I mean, it looks like the Energetic Rangers. Like I said, I care for them just to be in civilian mode with the civilian heads with these ones because it has the Energetic Rangers already on the shelf. So it's just a nice little touch up, okay? Not a bad look. With the rest of these guys, doesn't look too bad at all. Let's go ahead and bring in the Skeleputty while I'm at it. So yeah, basically the Cobra line looks really nice. So let's go ahead, clean this cleaned up, and let's bring in the last guy. The real hero of the story, shall I?